Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my first ever Madden pack opening video. So I saved up about 14 packs to do. If you want me to do more in the future, just like this video and subscribe. If we get to 100 likes on this video, I'll do another pack opening with like 30 packs, with double the packs. So that'll be like 28. But I'm gonna round it up to 30. So, all right, let's start. Wait. All right, let's go. See, I think this one's just like the, yeah. That was just the, now onto a pro pack. I like the new animation. How they done? Dang, just an uncommon. Next pack. If there's a purple or yellow glow around it, purple's an epic and yellow's an iconic. That's what we're aiming for. But no, nothing but uncommons. Let's see, can we get at least a rare this time? Let's see. Another uncommon, bro. Are you serious? Come on. So, another uncommon, guys. See? Another uncommon. Our lucky right now is just horrible. I know these packs aren't good, but I haven't gotten a single rare in 8 packs. Come on. Let's see. Please. Hey, we got our first rare. Let's go. Come on. I think maybe we should have some variety coming up. It's not all pro packs, I can assure you that. Uncommon. Oh yeah, all pro pack. Let's see. Backwards. Uncommon. Hey, what is this? Hey, a rare. Alright. Ooh, Madden pack. These are rare. Another rare, bro. Are you serious? Come on, please, something good. Please. Yeah, alright, good. An epic. That's good. Hey, a rare. Hey, Nick Bosa. Actually, I think he's an update, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Alright. That's good, Our last pack, Team of the Week pack. I don't know why I got this. It was a bust. Hey, rare. Alright. Guys, see, no packs left. Stay tuned to next video for another pack opening. Bye, guys.